Conducting power and energy studies on energized panels can be a difficult, time-consuming task. But what if there was an easier, safer way? Introducing the Fluke PQ400 Electrical Measurement Window. Reduce downtime, increase safety, and troubleshoot faster with a permanent access point for making three-phase measurements without opening the panel door. Installation is fast using a standard drill and hydraulic hole punch. And internal voltage and current connections only need to be made once. Then, simply unlock the window cover, lift the lid, and connect the voltage and current leads of your logger or analyzer. When you're done, remove your external connections, lock the window lid, and leave the internal connections in place for future use. Fluke PQ400 Electrical Measurement Windows. Change the way you measure. For more information, please contact your local Fluke distributor or visit www.fluke.com.